seconds remain. Bring them home. These are unofficial counts. Unofficial counts right now. Joey just ahead. Esper digging deep. Joey with 44. Esper with 43. 40 seconds remain. Nick Wary bringing game. 45 for Joey. 30 seconds remain. Here at the meet. Joey fighting back from the deficit. 10 seconds ago. Count backwards from 10, 9, 8. Stop eating! Ain't nothing but a thing. What about these are unofficial counts? Can you bring the numbers down? Let's count the plates. Bring the numbers down. Whoa! That was the big E-A-T. And there's a like.
Move right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, early indication is that Joey was down by 3 and fought back to win by 2. Our judges are going to confirm that. $2,000 on the line, paying out to the 5th place. We will have the belt presentation shortly. Since 1939, the White Hut, right here in West Springfield, Massachusetts, the greatest cheeseburger in all the world. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2nd place, representing Oxford, the town of, and Massachusetts, the state of, proving why he's the 3rd ranked eater in the world, Jeffrey Esper with 45 White Hut cheeseburger. And for the belt presentation, I'll bring out EJ from the White Hut and Alexa from Police. And I want to thank the Big E, and I want to thank you guys for coming out here today. It's Major League Eating, and the greatest eater of all time, the Tyrant Lizard King himself. Your champion, 2nd year in a row, with 47 White Hut cheeseburgers in 10 minutes at the Big E. Give it up for Joey Chestnut! Joey Chestnut with 47!